Today, in 60 seconds, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to fix a pair of apparently broken Reykjavik Eyes glasses. Now, because these are made from one piece of titanium, there's nothing that's actually snapped. They've just been bent out of shape by the client. They had a bit of an accident. Using steel nose pliers, we can just twist the titanium back into its normal shape. Not far off now. Use a bit of hand finishing just to get it into the right curvature to match the lens. And we're already looking a lot better. We just got to get the lens back in now. And we're good to go.